I have been wanting to get an implant for quite some time. I'm in pretty good health overall, but my confidence, of course, was lower because I have a missing tooth, So I searched around for different dentists and ended up at Shoreline. And talking to Dr. Toback, he explained to me the process and how it would go. Being a young woman, I'm not even 35 yet, so having a hole in my smile definitely affects me. And so we talked about it, and overall he made me feel very confident that he could restore my confidence. I came in at about noon, and this was just 2 days ago. As you can see, I am speaking and smiling, and I'm clearly I'm not in any pain. It was very quick. Dr. Toback and his assistants did a very good job at making me feel comfortable. When I first saw my new smile, I felt like my old self again. I felt like my smile was complete and that I can, not have the worry of, minimizing myself. So, I felt amazing, honestly.